We'll guide you through how to create a line chart or graph in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel, and so you want to go and create a line graph or chart. This is a great way of plotting data, and it can go and represent it really well. So you can go and see here, I've got some data, I've got different years and different amounts of rainfall, but you can have different things like sales or whatever you've got. Now, what you want to do is in Excel is you need to go to the top ribbon and you want to find the option for insert and you want to go and click there. You can then come over to the right and you can go and find charts. Now you're going to go and see these different charts here. Of course, in this case, we're focusing on line. So you can go and see the little icon or when you hover over it, or go and say insert line or area chart. Click on it and you can then go and see these different designs here and you can hover and click on the one you want. Go and click on it. You'll then go and get this blank box here called chart area. Right click on it and you can go and find the option for select data. Now this will open up. So here it says chart data range. Press the arrow pointing up to the right and you need to go and select the data that's going to go and be on the y-axis, the vertical line. And you want to click, hold and drag to select it. And then you can go and press the arrow to the right. Then what you need to do is we need to go and choose the data that's going to be on the x-axis. So we can come to horizontal and you want to go and press edit over to the top of this right list here. Then you can go and select that there by clicking, holding and dragging and press OK. And you then want to go and press OK in the bottom right. And as you can see, there it is. You can then go over to the top right where it says chart elements and click the plus and you can go and choose what you want to go and add. So I'll click that there and I'll then go and click in the boxes and I could put that year. I can then go and click over to the left here and select it all and type in rainfall. And at the top, I could type in, and of course, you can then go and add different elements over to the right as I showed you by clicking that plus. So add what you want. And what you can also do is go and choose the style and filters. That's it.